Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. There are a lot of leagues in the DC, but for this video, we're talking about the League of Legends. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a League of Legends action figure, first edition. And the character is called Garen. Okay, the champion collection from Spin Master and for 14 years old. And you can see the display window. Okay, he's a heavy armor knight, Garen. Okay, I got this by the way from Conrad via trade. So shout out to Conrad for the trade. This will go to my 3-year-old. So yeah, that's way below 14 years old, but that's fine. He loves playing with action figures. Okay, so and it doesn't seem to have any chokeable parts. Seems big. But anyway, I am not so familiar with League of Legends. I only watched the Netflix show. I haven't played the game, but Conrad was saying this character is a tank, being a knight. Because I did play Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Okay, so I think they're very similar. Okay, so Garen at the back here is the might of demacia, head of the dauntless vanguard, clad in magic-resistant armor and bearing a mighty broadsword. Garen stands ready to confront mages and sorcerers on the field of battle in a veritable whirlwind of righteous steel. Okay, so he's a tank against magic users, not against physical. But I would assume physical would also the armor would also work against physical attacks. So he comes in with a judgment accessory. Okay, the sword, the espada wico. Okay, so the name of the sword is Judgment, I guess. And this was released 2022, League of Legends, Riot Games. And before we open it, let's look at a League member in Heroclix form. Okay, so we don't actually have a knight figure in Heroclix, but the next best thing is Paladin. Okay, because usually knights are called paladins, right? So anyway, this particular figure is from the Deadpool set. Okay, it's a Golden Age figure, I guess. And we can see here, Paladin does not carry a sword, but a couple of guns, a handgun on the right hand and an armalite on the left. So let's take a look at his card. He has Detective, Heroes for Hire, Spy, Thunderbolts, and Wild Pack keywords, an improved targeting hindering, and a trait, I'm always for hire. Give a friendly character that possesses a copyable team ability, a power action. Okay, Paladin can use that team ability until this ability is used again. When Paladin isn't on his starting click, opposing characters can be given a power action to activate this effect, but if they do, Paladin is healed of 1 damage. Okay, so that's interesting. So, because not only friendlies but even opponents can activate that particular power. Okay, so for 69 points, you can see that he does have some other powers here. Okay, you can pause the video if you want. The real name is unknown. First appearance is Daredevil number 150, 1978. Okay, an uncommon from the set number 30 with 6 range. I actually haven't played this figure because I got into Heroclix after the set. So yeah, but I'm trying to collect all the figures in the Deadpool set. So that's why I have this Paladin. Anyway, that's it for this short segue. Let's go back to the main video. Okay, so we are back in the main video and it's time to finally unbox this Garen League of Legends figure. Okay, I can already see the epicness of this figure. I'm not keeping the box, so we can actually tore this apart. So the Judgment Sword. Okay, I'm sure this is like 5 damage. And oops, Let's, there we go. It comes with a stand. Always a good thing when action figures come with their own stand, just in case you want to collect them. And post them. And yeah, it comes off easily. And he has the cover of the sword. Okay. Oh, there's a slot here that should fall here. Perfect. Okay, tight joints as it is sealed in box. And yeah, surprisingly, there's not a lot of shoulder movements because of this armor. Is this removable? Okay, I don't want to remove it, but the hands do move. Okay, and let's see the sword. Okay, both hands can carry the sword, I guess. Oh, but you cannot do it two-handed. Maybe have it here. Okay, head is nice. Okay, it's like the Boy Scout knight. Okay, oops. Okay, it seems to dislocate a lot. That's not a good sign. Okay. But that's it. That's the Garen from League of Legends. I like it. 4 out of 5. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts on the video. And for now, bye bye. Yeah, slash.